Hello and welcome back to statistics. We're going to work our way through a z-score example today. So our z-score formula again is z equals x minus the mean, represented by the Greek letter mu, over the standard deviation, which is represented in this formula by the lowercase Greek letter sigma. And so our problem is, what is the probability of randomly choosing in just one attempt a healthcare worker whose annual income falls between the mean income of $20,000 and a value of $22,000, with a standard deviation is $1,500. So we're going to plug into our formula. So we're going to plug in for x. So x in the word problem is represented by 22,000, because we know what the mean is. The mean is 20,000 in this problem. So x minus the mean over the standard deviation, and the standard deviation has been given to us. And so if we do in step 2 the subtraction, 22,000 minus 20,000 is 2,000 over 1,500. And then if you do the division to 2 decimal places, you have a z-score that equals 1.33. And so what you're going to look up, and here's a little visual cheat sheet, what you're going to look up is the value in column B, because we want to know what's the probability of picking somebody with an income between 20,000 and 22,000. So we're talking about area between. All right. So I always like to plot the mean on a little normal distribution, and then that way I can look at the word problem and what is the between, what is the thing we're looking for, and then plot that, and that makes x. And so then we're looking for b, because we know it's between these two values. And so if you look in the z-score table in Brightspace, you will see that for a z-score of 1.33, if you look in column B, you will find a proportion of 0.4082, or if you multiply that by 100%, you have a 40.82% probability or chance of randomly choosing somebody, a healthcare worker, whose annual income falls between the mean of 20,000 and 22,000. And that is your answer. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.